A new dawn for Jamaica. JLP and PNP unite for the Jamaican dream. JLP and PNP unite for the Jamaican dream. Please note that this is a hypothetical post, nothing but a what if. Now let's get into it. Explore the groundbreaking alliance between Jamaica's major political parties, the JLP and PNP, as they set aside differences to pursue a shared vision for national progress. Witness a historic moment in Jamaican politics and discover the transformative potential of bipartisan collaboration. In an unprecedented move, Jamaica's political landscape witnesses a monumental shift as the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, and the People's National Party, PNP, forge a historic alliance, transcending traditional rivalries to pursue a shared vision for the nation's prosperity. This groundbreaking collaboration heralds a new dawn for Jamaican politics, igniting hope for a unified and thriving future. For decades, partisan divides have stifled Jamaica's potential for growth, leaving critical issues unresolved amidst political turmoil. The entrenched rivalry between the JLP and PNP has often hindered progress on key fronts, from economic stability to social equity. Today, however, a transformative moment unfolds as both parties set aside differences in pursuit of the greater good. This alliance signals a departure from divisive politics, emphasizing collective action and inclusive governance as the path forward. The convergence of the JLP and PNP signifies a pivotal realization that Jamaica's challenges require bipartisan solutions. It underscores the importance of cooperation and dialogue in addressing complex issues and fostering sustainable development. Together, the JLP and PNP stand ready to confront long-standing obstacles, from economic revitalization to social welfare enhancement. By harnessing their combined strengths and resources, they aim to enact policies that benefit all Jamaicans, transcending political affiliations. Furthermore, this historic collaboration sends a resounding message of unity to both domestic and international audiences. It reaffirms Jamaica's commitment to democratic values and collaborative governance, serving as a model for nations striving for progress amidst diversity. As Jamaica embarks on this transformative journey, it is a testament to the enduring spirit of its people and their collective aspirations. The Jamaican dream, once fragmented by partisan divides, now shines bright with the promise of inclusivity, justice, and prosperity for all. In this moment of unity, let us embrace the possibilities of a brighter future, where cooperation triumphs over conflict, and shared goals drive national progress. Together, the JLP and PNP pave the way for a renaissance in Jamaican politics, inspiring hope and resilience for generations to come.